Okay, Ryker, what's up today?
We're good. So, I never seen a Eclipse 8. You guys never seen me film one, but it's right there. So, it's gonna be very loud. Don't mind me while I'm shaking, because I'm cold. I should have listened to my dad.
And where are we?
Priest Elementary.
Yeah. And then what city is this? Do you know?
Nashville. Alright, so what's your name? Jacob. Nice to meet you, Jacob. And this is Lori.
I'm Danielle.
Okay. This is Daniel. What's your name, sir?
And they happen to be here at which kind of siren is that? So we'll see if this goes off at 12 or 1. What do you guys think? Do you think it's gonna go off at right now in a couple of minutes?
I think it's gonna go up in a couple of minutes, honestly, because probably they started early in the day. It may take some time, so an extra hour late. I don't know.
Oh, you got a good theory. Okay, cool. Yeah, it was cool meeting those kids. We'll see if they freak out when the siren goes off.
Yeah.
You have a scar.
Everybody I got bit by a tiger. Don't mind. No, I'm just kidding. I fell off a tree. So.
Okay. Okay, we're down to 1 minute to see if it goes off at 12. How about that? Was that too loud for you guys?
It's like my first time hearing that. I've never heard like a tornado siren.
Isn't that cool?
At first I actually did think it was a tornado siren.
So what do you think, Ryker?
Still doing that thing.
Yeah. So that was cool. That's
It did go off at 12. So.
That's the first time you've heard an Eclipse 8.
I was right, it went off at 12.
That was so cool.
You should edit in like a guess if you think it's gonna go off at 12 or 1.
Yeah, that's good.
Can you play Gaga Ball with us? Sure.
Yeah, we can play some. Okay, hold on, Ryker. You need to wrap it up.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope they enjoyed it too. And
It was fun.
you guys want to say goodbye?
Bye.